Hello and welcome to Coloring History, and today we will draw a Filipino American artist, Pacita Abad. Pacita used a lot of bright colors in her paintings. She also had a unique style called chapunto in some of her artwork. Chapunto is where you make a quilt and stuff it to make the artwork look three-dimensional. Pacita Abad was also known for using circles in her artwork. So this artwork that we're about to do will have some elements of circles. All right, so let's get started by making a cartoon version of Pacita Abad. We are going to make a U shape for the face. And we are going to connect these two lines by making a curved line like this. Now we are going to make two semicircles for her eyes. And inside each circle, we are going to make a circle. And let's partially shade in the circle. Next, we are going to make a curved line for her nose. And also for each eye, let's make 3 eyelashes. And let's give each eye an eyebrow. And let's give Pacita a big happy face. So let's continue with her body. Now we will finish the hair later, but let's make a line like this, a line like this underneath her face, and then a little horizontal line like this, and another line like this. We are actually making her apron. Let's make another line like this. And what we are going to do is we are going to pretend that there's an imaginary line, an arm, okay? We are going to draw a paintbrush. She's holding a paintbrush. So we are going to make a line like this, like a little line like this, or a curve line like this. And we are going to make a circle. So about right here at the edge of this line, we are going to make a circle like this. And this is her hand holding the paintbrush. Now we are going to finish the paintbrush. So now we are going to make a line, imaginary line, pretend that this line is about right here. We're going to make a little line like this. Then a horizontal line like this. And we're going to come down just a little bit, and we are going to make her one of her fingers. So we're going to do this, and let's connect this line to this line by doing this, almost like a peanut shape, I guess. And we are going to connect this line to her would be, I believe, her pinky finger. And let's finish the paintbrush by making a curved line like this, and then connecting like this to the end of the stick of the brush. And let's make another curved line like this inside the bristles, and then another line like this, and connect. So we are done with the paintbrush. So what we want to do is connect her, the rest of her body, to this paintbrush. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a vertical line like this. And we are going to make her shoulder and her arm connect this paintbrush. Okay, so we're going to make a wavy line like this, and then come back to the brush like that. And then we are going to, from here to here, connect her paintbrush. So we are done making the left side of her arm and her holding the paintbrush. What we are going to do now is make the apron. So she's wearing an apron. We're going to go down like this to the shirt. And then we are going to make the palette, the painter's palette, what artists would hold, where it had all the different choices of colors they are going to use for that art activity. So we're going to make a semicircle like this. Well, not a semicircle, but a large curved line. Then we are going to make a circle like this because she is holding the palette. And then we are going to connect from here to the other end of the painter's palette. And now we are going to make a vertical line here to the painter's palette. And then we are going to make her shoulder to the painter's palette like this. And let's finish off by drawing the apron from here to here. So we are done with her body. The next thing is to make her hair. So we are going to make a line like this, a big curvy line, one curvy line that goes to her shoulder like this. And then let's do the other side. All right, so we're going to make a curvy line going to her shoulder. So we are done drawing Pacita Abad. So what we want to do is add circles and semicircles to the background of this portrait. So what I'm going to do, and it doesn't matter where you put your circles, but I'm going to do a few circles and let me show you. So I'm going to have maybe one small circle and maybe add a spiral inside of each circle. I'm going to add a half circle here by making a rainbow on the side of my paper, and then make another matching line like this, and another one like this, and another one like this. It doesn't matter where you place the circles. I'm going to place some circles here. And maybe some circles here, or half circles, excuse me. These are half circles that are partially cut off on the paper. And here, and maybe a little one here, and another half circle. And maybe one here. It does not matter how many circles or half circles you use. It's up to you. And we are done drawing Pacita Abad. The next step is to color. As you can see, these are the colors that I used. I hope you have fun coloring history. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.